What's going on, guys? I'm Reese Bowers. Welcome to Built from the Bottom. What's going on, guys? So 2 days ago I went and bought that 2006 CBR 1000 RR with it has like 23,000 miles on it, 24,000 miles on it. And today, because I'm still waiting on parts for all these bikes to come in, I really want to be rebuilding the bikes and getting out the content because I got a bunch of projects just in there, but I'm not gonna sit around here and really not do anything while I'm waiting for these parts to come in. So if you see right here, I got my ramp and my ratchet straps. So we're about to go pick up another bike. It's all the way down to Miami, so I don't really want to pull a trailer because I might hang out in Miami tonight. I don't know yet. So I'm gonna get on the road and we're gonna go pick up this bike. It's a 2014 R1, has bent forks in the front. The guy has fairings for it, but I'm probably not gonna use those fairings, and it needs a new tank. Probably needs about $1,000 of work done to it. But yeah, we're getting this thing for a pretty good deal. It has a little bit of an altercation with it, but we'll figure that out when we get there and see if I can get him down on the price a little bit. But let's get on the road. Alright, so before we go to Miami, you know, you always got to get a little orange before you go because everybody over there is rocking a spray tan too. Alright, so I'm here at this guy's crib. We're about to go check this bike out, see what's up. Oh no, a mango. Gotta save that thing for later. Yo, cool if I film? Yeah. Alright, right on.
There's a little chihuahua left.
Oh shit.
It's my in-law dog.
How do I get in here? Oh. Good, man. Reese.
Nice truck.
Thanks.
I was about to get the same year.
Really?
Yeah, but I want my Chevy. I think it's empty or something.
I'm thinking about getting like the
I got a
new.
Silverado.
Oh, you got the Silverado?
Yeah.
So this
These
what's
are my
up.
traps.
Yeah, I was wondering if you trap them. That's like.
Yeah, I do traps. I got 2,000 traps.
So you build all these traps?
I build the traps.
Damn.
I build them here and I build them at the Keys, at the property. I can't do it in my house. I live in the Gables. So
Yeah.
they'll be on
Yeah, these traps are brand new. You just built these?
I build it.
How long do they last?
They usually last me 3 years, 3 to 4 years. But I gotta do repairs. Every now and then I'll do, I'll change wood, I'll change something, cement cracks, and a lot of times they get stepped on.
Yeah. So like you just put like what's there probably like 5 pounds of concrete in this?
Yeah.
Is 5 pounds what it is?
Yeah. A little more.
People take stuff out your pots
Yeah.
all the time.
All the time.
Well,
I used to do it before.
really?
But
Yeah.
I didn't have a commercial license because I got my wife, and then her dad owned the company, and then he was like, "Look, listen, because I owned the towing business."
Yeah. When I was like in 7th grade and stuff, I went on my little Carolina skiff, and me and my buddies would like pull up the crab pots and take a couple blue crabs and stuff, man.
Now I feel it. Now I feel it. This is actually it. Let me get you the jump box because it does turn over.
It starts over as it is. Oh,
Yeah.
dude, you said the keys were good.
Yeah.
This is.
Well, it's half of the key. You can put it out and make a copy on it because I was gonna do that.
Okay.
It's just bent. Let me get the jump box.
Yeah, they sanded that shit down. There's a sticker. So I looked at the one that I got inside my shop, and there's the sticker VIN that's actually on this side. They pulled that off too. I thought it was because I think I have. Yeah, so the sticker VIN is like right here on the one that I got, and it's the same exact bike as this one.
All right. So you should have had a sticker bin also.
Yeah.
I know there's one on the frame, and there's one.
There's one on the back of the.
engine.
Yeah, it should be back here.
But I don't know about that.
Oh yeah. What miles you got? Oh, so you bought that as the brand new one? Or
I
is
bought
that
this with
is that code 22 or is that?
I don't know.
That's code 22.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What
just
is- is there-
everything. It's missing a bunch of stuff. That's why I'd be feeling it.
What is it? 'Cause I got a 2014 Yamaha.
That's why I'd be feeling it.
2014 Yamaha. 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 Yeah, it's throwing the code. Because the mileage just show you right now when the transfer started up.
Okay, so 20.
I know the relay, when they ripped off the battery, because they couldn't get the bike to turn off. So they took off the battery, they ripped off, and it's missing a relay. That's the only thing that's missing.
Okay.
That's probably why it's throwing the code.
Yeah, well, when you, it's an easy thing to hot wire. We're down here. You're in Miami right here, man. This is where people. All right, guys, we're mid-negotiation right now. I'm starting to get tanner, so when I go out tonight, hey.
Well, you gotta come back and let me at least ride it once. Just so I
come
can
back.
Just so you know what it was, if you want.
Do rock, paper, scissors, 22 or 23.
We'll flip a coin, and then you can keep it on your YouTube.
All right, let's do it.
No, you got coins?
I do not.
Who's gonna flip the coin?
You can flip the coin. I'll call it.
Heads or tails?
Heads.
Let's see. You want it flip how?
Just flick it
the head up?
on the ground. Just let it go to the ground.
Tails.
God damn it.
23.
You know how many times like I stay losing money on bets. Okay guys, so I just pulled off into some random parking lot out here in Miami, and I got the R1. I got it for $100 more than I said I was gonna get it for. I thought I was gonna be able to get this thing for 22. So this is a 2014 Yamaha R1 theft recovery, and it is banged up, but it's one of the, like, it's a nicer bike, and I really want to do like higher end bikes for this channel, so that's why I got this. I know the 2006 CBR 1000 is not as cool of a bike as this is. This thing got a really cool exhaust on it, and he gave me all of these fairings and stuff because he was going to rebuild it, and he bought like a whole nother kit of fairings for it. But I don't know if I don't think I'm going to be using any of that. Got these cool white wheels on it. Front wheels destroyed, but yeah, that's what's going on with this thing right now. Frame's good, but we got to deal with that VIN situation on it. And you know, I got to go down to like the state and figure out how to like properly go about that, because that's something that is new to me. But we're gonna head over to Boca to my boy's house real quick. So guys, it is the next day. We are here in Boca. We're at one of my favorite spots. This is like right off of A1A. I normally run about 2 miles down that way. I'll show you guys how pretty this place really is real quick. This bike is gonna kind of sit on the back burner for the channel until I figure out the VIN situation, but I will be buying parts for this bike in the meantime. So we're definitely gonna be doing the 2015 conversion tail, because I do not want to get rid of this good looking exhaust on this bike. And then I'm gonna try to figure out if it is possible to do the 2015 conversion to the front end of this bike. If any of you guys on the channel know if that is possible, please go down there in the comments and let me know. But until then, I'll catch you guys next week. A lot of the parts came in for the 2013 CBR 600, so we'll be getting to that next. Peace out. So guys, if you think this bike is gonna be a really cool rebuild, please go down there and hit that like button on it.